what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. ZN, I'm your host P5, aka High P. Not that I'm high, but kind of like high T. You see what I did there? Anyway, this is another episode of nice bit of kit that, let's get into it. You know, I ain't gonna waste no time. I'm gonna go around, come back into it, and we're gonna do it like we're doing it for TV. Let's get it. Oh, and I'm back, and I'm back, and I'm back. See that smooth entrance into the video? Alright guys, let me give you a little close-up of today's garment, you know what I mean? Let me give you a little twirlage, gotta do the twirlage, little twirls. I'm back into it. Alright guys, today we have this Stone Island, made in Italy, knit. And I think this is from like 1998 or maybe 1999. But yeah, let's get into it guys. Let's get into it. I'm gonna zip it up and we're gonna get into it like we're getting into it. Alright, let's do this. So guys, we have this beautiful fetching navy piece that I'm struggling to zip up right now, and voila. Okay, so let's start with the length as we do. As you can probably see, this is quite oversized on me. Do you know what I mean? Like a lot of the older pieces, they're oversized. I think this is registered as a large, maybe an extra large. I'll check in a minute. But as you can see, there's my waist and there's where it comes down to. So quite long, quite lengthy, but really nice. Let's look at the cuff arches. So you got left cuff, right cuff. Of course, as you can see, oversized, baggy cuffs. I was thinking of tapering these in, but then I realized, you know what, the older pieces are what they are. They're a bit oversized or a lot oversized, and that was the style of the day. So really, you just sort of adapt your style, wear these, but maybe wear a little bit of a baggier jean rather than a slimmer jean. You know, there's ways to flip it so it doesn't look off point. You know, sometimes you wear baggy with slim and it doesn't quite work. But yeah, anyway, cuff arches, enough room for 2 sets of hands in there, as you can see. Put your hands in, you know how it goes, boom, nice and warm. So of course they come just a little bit lower than my wrist, as you can see. They cover my wrist a little bit, but again, for that nice little aesthetic, it's dope. If you want to fold it up, you can fold it up, do you know what I mean? I'm just leaving it loose, you know? Okay, boom. So the zip strip, you have this nice gradiented, a darker navy going up the zip strip, as you can see there. I hope the sun's catching that. So that goes all the way to the roof of the neck, but because it's got a high neck bit, that kind of goes to the, goes to the base of the neck, but because it's got a kind of high neck bit, it goes to the roof of the neck, but quite loose. So you have this, I think it's actually a Lampo zipper. It's not a YKK. Yep, it's a Lampo zipper. I will show you that in a minute. So you got a Lampo zipper, and if I show you the pocket on the left hand side, you've got this quite deep, how shall I say, sturdy, big pocket, and that is, let me get that out, that is a metal button, so it's a proper button, none of those soft buttons there. And let me just show you, burnished in steel, as we like to say, the old Stone of Ireland. This lid doesn't lift up, but you put your hands in and you can definitely put a few of your kids in there, transport them to school or nursery, and you should be good. They'll be nice and safe in this pocket. Let me step back so you can see the pocket. Very nice pocket, very nice button, you know what I'm saying? So boom, you only have the one pocket, so equilibrium is not a beautiful thing, it's just on the one side. Now the eagle eye amongst you might have noticed that today we're going green edge. We've gone green edge today. It's green and it's edged, and it's edged and it's green. So obviously the older pieces will have the green edge badges. So this is a 99 piece, like I said, maybe 98, a 1999 piece, and yeah, so it has the green edge. Let me give you some more details. Let's give you some more details. Alright, so of course you've got the label right there, Stone Island, and you can see the weave, you can see the knit. Look at that. Let me just give you a close-up of the weave, the knit. This is quite heavy, it's sturdy, you know, like you wear this, you're definitely going to be a little bit warm. Let me give you some more tag life here so you can see what we're working on. See, you got your art number there. Let me just see, and you got your made in Italy right there. So this is one of my made in Italy pieces. It's 100% cotton, and I believe I got this off Archive Joy maybe last year, something like that. Yeah, I think so. Very, very super nice piece. If I give you the little twirlage there, you can see the knit. Nice little high collar, as you can see, as I mentioned. Loose fitting. Really nice, man, really nice. Let me just give you a little bit. You see the zip strip there, you see that nice gradiated navy blue right there. Really, really dope. And kind of how I like to wear this, as I wear it open, or I might wear it closed. There's the only two ways you can wear it. What am I saying? But I kind of might wear it like this, long t-shirt, a longer t-shirt just showing down right there, give it that sort of oversized feel. Yeah, really, really dope. What can I say? Super fly, super nice. Guys, well, that was this Stone Island 1999 or 1998 cardigan jumper kind of thing, and I've worn it. I've looked dope in it. It's green edge, as you can see, and yeah, all I can say is very, very nice. What more can you say? Look at that, nice bit of green edge, super bit of knit, nice pocket with a nice burnished in steel button, and yeah, all good. Alright guys, this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. I've been your host P5, aka P is for Perfectly Sunny Day, and yeah, you guys have been beautiful. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts as always. And yeah, stay dope, stay fly, and as always, man, don't let the bed bugs bite. You lot be the MVPs. Mad love. Peace.